When people hear sulfur, they think poison. Acid. Corrosion. Death, but on planets, sulfur appears early, not late. Sulfur is not a mistake. Sulfur is a shield. Sulfur compounds are light. They rise rapidly through volcanic plumes, before carbon dioxide, before nitrogen settles, before water stabilizes. This is why sulfur forms clouds first. It reaches the upper atmosphere before anything else can. Sulfuric clouds reflect solar radiation. They reduce surface heating. They limit atmospheric stripping. They soften plasma exposure. Without sulfur clouds, Venus would lose its atmosphere entirely. Sulfur is not the problem. Sulfur is the reason the atmosphere survives. Venus is hot, but without sulfur it would be hotter. Sulfur clouds regulate energy flow. They trap heat below but prevent runaway loss above. This is not equilibrium yet, it is stabilization. Early Earth had sulfur clouds. Before oxygen, before plants, before animals, Venus is not behind Earth. Venus is earlier than Earth. Remove sulfur clouds and Venus fails. Keep them, and the planet survives long enough to evolve further. Sulfur is not Venus's curse. It is Venus's first armor.